Olive oil. And some chicken special chicken herbs. Italian mixed herbs. The mixed herb. We don't have a what do you call measurement. They're all by eye. Some curry powder. Just a little bit, not much. And then some paprika. And then turmeric. And then cumin. And then black pepper. And then 1 lemon. Some tomato puree. And sometimes you have to put some love as well in it. Love. One onion. Chop the onion very thin. I mean thin. I mean thin like this. Thin. As thin. Yes, I know I can use a knife fast. I do many things fast. Only thing I cannot do the fast is fast sleeping. And then garlic. Don't be scared from the garlic. 3 or 4 teeth of garlic. You're chucking it. Again, this one as well, very thin guys, very thin. Huh? What do you mean? You can't chop it? Yeah. Put some more salt on top of it. And then use your knife and press it. try it. So I need to put a bit more extra.
My nose is running off top of me, you smell it? When it's the canola, smell it. My nose is running off top.
Well, for me that's perfect. That is for me perfect, guys. So what we're gonna have tonight? We're gonna have some lamb steaks, which is my brother likes it.
Ali Unin.
And then we have chickens. But now you have to use your hand. Okay, now it's be half an hour, keep it rest, half an hour rest, and then will be food, will be eaten. But we're gonna make salad. We decided to have a nice barbecue before we go home. We're gonna go home tonight because the fishing sucks. Not making any money. No money, no honey. So no, they're not cooked yet, but this one is cooked. It's a small piece for you. Huh? Guys, watch this. Watch this now. Hey. Oh no! Was it nice? Was it nice? Was it nice? Yes, it was nice. Oh, hi, look at him. Look at him. You see, even the dogs are eating it. Yeah, you like that, do you? Okay. Kebab, Turkish kebab. You like Turkish kebab? You like Turkish kebab, Rakishish kebab? Deniz jump. Raki guluk 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 guluk. Yes, you like Raki? Me like, very like Raki. Okay, guys. All the best. I'll speak to you guys later.